Hi, this is Dr. Hammett, the Grumpy Chiropractor. Welcome. Today's question I receive quite often is, what should I do after I receive my adjustment? And that's an important question. Adjustments are designed to reset your nervous system so it starts to function normally again. So adjustments are really important to your overall health and prevention of health problems. So you get adjusted. What do? Well, I'll tell you what they used to do 75 years ago or 50 years ago is when you would adjust a patient, you would have a resting room, and they literally would be adjusted, put on a gurney, rolled down to a private dark room, and made to relax for 1 hour. Imagine that in today's living, 2022, resting for a half an hour to an hour after each adjustment. Nobody can do that anymore, and I understand that. But the reality is this: if you want the adjustment to hold better, try not to get stressed out. It's the biggest thing that will bring your nervous system back on a state of alert. So you get adjusted, drink a good half a quart of water, rehydrate, turn off your phone, turn on some nice music in your car. Don't get hassled by anybody driving back home. Take it easy for the next half an hour. The biggest thing I can tell people after their adjustments is don't stress yourself out. And unfortunately, in this day and age, I watch patients get adjusted and they're on their phones as they're walking to check out at the front desk, which is insane. So to help you get the best for your adjustment, get adjusted. Try to make it a time of day where you know you have nothing else to do. Get adjusted, turn the phone off, or more importantly, don't bring it into the office at all, leaving the car off. Go back to the car, get in, turn on, put some really good music that makes you relax, that makes you happy. Don't worry about the traffic. Don't worry about the kids, the husband, the wife, or anything else. Just for that next 20, 30, 40 minutes, take it easy. And your adjustments will help hold better. All right? That's the secret to holding your adjustments better. Have a great day. This is Grumpy Chiropractor. Thank you.